In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a headlight bracket on your Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. Pop out the two retainers and pull straight up and remove them. Remove the headlight assembly. Remove the connector for the low beam bulb. To do this, we're going to push up on these two tabs and back. And remove the connector. Those are the tabs that we're pushing up on. We're going to remove our high beam bulb first. We're going to pick up on the back of this connector, pull straight back. These are the black tabs I was pulling up on. Using a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim tool, go down the line, removing all of the plastic retainers for our top trim piece. Remove the screw and pull the clip out. Remove the top trim piece. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we are going to twist this clip counterclockwise and unlock it. Do the same thing on the other side. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the grill. Look down below your grill, and you're going to find another one of those Phillips head retainers. We have these on both sides. Take your Phillips head, twist it counterclockwise and unlock this. Do this on both sides. Grab the grill, pull straight back and remove it from the vehicle. If you need to, pop to the outsides. And start with these clips. And remove the front grill. We're going to remove our lower light fixture. To do this, there's a clip in the corner. We're going to push that towards the outside of the vehicle and pull straight back and remove it. The other side will hinge out. We're going to remove our bulb sockets from the assemblies. To do this, push down on that tab and twist. Pull straight back. Remove the bulb. Repeat this process for this one. For this one, twist counterclockwise, pull straight out, and remove it. Remove the light fixture. Looking down at the bottom of our headlight bracket, right behind our bumper, we're going to have a 10mm bolt. Go ahead and remove that bolt. If you're struggling to reach this bolt, turn around and face away from the truck and reach your arm in behind you. You will not be looking at the bolt. You'll do it all by feel. And remove the bolt. Using a 10mm socket, remove the other 5 10mm bolts. And we have one last one on our top right. Using a T25, remove the 2 screws. Using a trim tool, we're going to remove the Christmas tree clip. Remove the clip and remove the headlight bracket. Install the new headlight bracket into place. Install that Christmas tree clip into the new bracket. I'm going to get my Torx bolts started. Install the 5 upper 10mm bolts. And that one more in the top right. Snug down the Torx bolts. Go around and snug down all the 10 mils. On our old headlight bracket, we have these plastic clips. Flip the headlight bracket over. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to pinch that clip and remove it from the old headlight bracket. Do this for both of them. Install the plastic clips into the new headlight bracket. We're going to install the 10mm bolt for the bottom of the headlight bracket. Snug down the bolt. Get it nice and snug. Install the bulb sockets. Twist them clockwise until they lock in. With all of the sockets installed, we can install our fixture. We're going to get this hook started on the right side, and then we'll hinge it down in and install the assembly. Install the grille onto the vehicle. We're going to start by getting our side clip installed, and then work down the line. Be sure your retainers are in that open position. I'm going to close them as I go. I was able to do it with my fingers. And I'll put in this clip on the other side. Close the retainers on the bottom of the grille. Do this on both sides. Install the 10mm bolt for the grille. Get it started by hand. And snug it down. Install the top trim cover. Get it in place. Drop in your plastic retainers and lock them down. Install the connectors for the headlight bulbs. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give them a pull. Make sure they're locked on. Install the headlight. Push it back into place. With the headlight installed, we can install our stakes. Get it fully installed and push it back. Do the same thing on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.